Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Karatbars business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire with no fluff, no time wasting, all facts. I'm going to save a bonus at the very end, so stay tuned for those instant results. You're going to learn exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the top lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you my exact 3-step strategy that I use to become a top recruiter and to hit the leaderboards for sales in one of my companies. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and highly targeted prospects to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. And this way, you can get targeted prospects to you of people who actually buy. You're going to ultimately be able to have the success and freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. So imagine how it would feel to have a business working for you instead of the other way around. You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. So let's get started. For YouTube, you want to go to you want to find exactly what keywords that you want to go after. And this is done by looking at what others who have already accomplished what you want to accomplish have done and simply doing similar things. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy. What that's going to allow you to do is go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. Once this is done, you can create a coherent title with your keyword phrases, and your title should go after multiple keywords. In your description, you want your description to be about 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout. Place your link at the top of this description. Create a thumbnail at the end using canva.com and save that thumbnail as your primary keyword. In this way, you're going to be going after multiple different keywords that you're going to be ranking on Google and YouTube for. That's going to bring traffic to what you have to offer. Remember, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. Now, you don't want to copy exactly verbatim, word for word, what somebody else did, but you want to make similar content to the people who have the success that you want. Keep your content 3 to 5 minutes and use open broadcast system to share your screen. Save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. You want to be social and build a following. Here's a good first message. Hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I noticed the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I decided to check out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I thought we should connect. It would be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? So that's a good first message. You get the ball rolling and you can start building your audience. Once you build your audience, you want to engage with people on your timeline by posting pictures, blog posts, engaging, fill in the blanks like I love my blank, and just have more people commenting, liking, and sharing your content. Because then at that point, the next time you post something, more and more people will be engaged. You want to connect in those groups. Again, Tony Robbins, Robert Kiyosaki, those kind of groups, make it 5 to 10 connections. But the key here is to make connections and focus on getting to know people and building your following versus trying to close prospects. To attract the right people to you, you want to post curiosity and not resistance. So that's 90% personal and 10% about your business. You don't want to be posting all day, every day about your business. You want to instead have lifestyle pictures, imagery, inspirational quotes, that kind of thing, and valuable resources, other content that's going to help your target audience. Those are the kind of things you want to post. Here's a good example of a curiosity post. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, and green powder and almond milk. I had energy all day long. So what this kind of post does is get people to reach out to you saying, hey, what's that green powder all about? And now that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern-day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.